Do not. Hey.
Hi. Are you the mechanic
Hi.
here?
Yes, I am. What's wrong with your car?
Oh my goodness. You speak good English. That's impressive.
What happened to your car?
I don't know. It just keeps going off and on. I can't explain it, but I know it's something serious to have me concerned.
Can I take a look? Can you pop the bonnet for me, please?
Yeah. Could you please help me? Yes.
It's right down here.
Thank you. Hi. Hello.
Let me see. Your orange car. And it looks like it just got serviced.
Yeah.